It's late afternoon at the small community garden beside the neighborhood library. Ethan stops by to check on the herbs he planted last month. There he meets Liana, a volunteer gardener taking a short break after tending to the tomato beds.
Hey there. I hope I'm not stepping on anything important. I never know where the roots reach in this garden.
Oh, don't worry. You're safe. The basil patch is over on the left, and the tomatoes are behind me. You're Ethan, right?
I am. Have we met before?
Just once, I think. You came in early spring and asked about compost rules. I'm Liana. I volunteer here a few days a week.
Right, I remember now. I was confused about the bins. Still kind of am.
It's easier than it looks. If it smells earthy, it goes into the big green bin. If it smells like it's trying to kill you, it belongs in the trash. That's my rule.
That's a hopeful rule. I'll use it. How long have you been volunteering here?
Oh, about a year. It started as a way to get out of the house, but now I really enjoy it. The quiet helps me think, and the plants don't talk back. Well, except when they wilt dramatically.
Sounds peaceful. I could use some of that. Work has been noisy this week.
What do you do?
IT support, so mostly helping people restart things they didn't know they turned off.
That sounds frustrating.
It can be, but I guess plants would be even harder. They don't tell you what's wrong.
True, but they show you. If they droop, they're thirsty. If they turn yellow, something is missing. Humans don't show anything until everything is already terrible.
That's a deep way to look at it. I like that.
Sorry, I do that sometimes. I get philosophical when the sun starts setting.
No, it's nice. It fits the place.
So what brings you today? Just checking on your herbs?
Yeah, I planted some parsley and mint. I'm still waiting for them to look like real plants and not tiny green dots.
Let me see them. Maybe I can give you some tips. Oh, these are doing pretty well, actually. Look at the new leaves! That's a good sign.
Really? I thought they looked a little weak.
No, not weak. Just young. They're still figuring things out. Kind of like teenagers.
That makes me feel better. I was sure I'd done something wrong.
The only wrong thing you can do with mint is plant too much. It will take over your whole life if you let it.
Good to know. I'll keep it in check.
So, do you cook a lot? Most people who grow herbs do.
Not really. I'm trying to learn. It's embarrassing how often I burn simple things.
Hey, same here. I once burned a pot of rice so badly the pot turned black. My mom still brings it up.
Rice is tricky. It lulls you into thinking it's easy.
Exactly. Every time I walk away, it punishes me.
So what do you like to cook now?
Mostly pasta. It's hard to mess up pasta. If I'm feeling fancy, I add vegetables. Very advanced stuff.
I respect that. Pasta has saved my life many times.
If you want, I can show you a simple mint pasta later in the summer. Mint, lemon, olive oil. It tastes like you're eating sunshine.
That sounds amazing. I'd love that.
Cool. Just promise me you'll keep these herbs alive until then.
I'll do my best. I'll even talk to them if needed.
Good. They like that, especially the mint. It has an ego.
What about you? What brought you to gardening in the first place?
I guess I needed something quiet after a noisy job. I work at a daycare, so I listen to excited kids all day. Gardening is the opposite of chaos.
That makes sense. Kids can be loud, right?
Loud and unpredictable. I love them, but after hours with them, even dirt feels peaceful.
I can imagine. You must be patient.
I try, but sometimes I dream of a day where nothing spills, breaks, or screams. Plants help me recover.
I'm glad the garden gives you that, and that you share it with the neighborhood.
It's nice to meet people here. People tend to open up when they're touching soil. Maybe it's grounding, literally.
You're full of gardening wisdom today.
It happens. Sunset inspires me.
So do you stay here until it gets dark?
Not always, but tonight I might. I like watching the garden change colors as the sun goes down.
It does feel different now. Softer.
Yeah, during the day it's busy, but evenings feel like the garden is exhaling.
I like that. Maybe I should come here more often.
You should. The herbs will grow better if you check on them often. They sense neglect.
Is that scientifically proven?
Completely. I read it on a very trustworthy internet forum.
Ah, the highest level of science.
Exactly. But really, it's nice having people around who enjoy the place. It keeps the garden alive in more ways than one.
Thanks for showing me around. I wasn't expecting a small plant inspection today.
Anytime. I like helping beginners. And your plants seem to like you, so you're already doing better than half the people who come here.
That's encouraging.
If you ever want help or company while gardening, just look for me. I'm usually here after work.
I'll do that. Maybe next time I'll bring something, like lemonade.
Lemonade would make you very popular here.
Good to know. I'll come prepared.
Deal. And remember, don't overwater the mint or it will throw a tantrum.
I'll keep it happy. Thanks, Liana.
Anytime, Ethan. See you around.